Former Congresswoman Heather Wilson will run for the U.S. Senate.
She has not made it official, but a reliable Republican source tells us she will announce Monday that she'll seek the Senate seat held by retiring Democrat Jeff Bingaman. News 13's Crystal Gutierrez is here with more.
And Jessica, Wilson's name has been circulating for weeks now. Political analysts say the news came as no surprise.
I think this is something that was somewhat expected.
Word spread fast that former New Mexico Congresswoman Heather Wilson will make another run for Senate. First reports surfaced yesterday on Politico.com, a Washington, D.C.-based news source. Today, a Republican source told KRQE Wilson will officially announce her run for Senator Jeff Bingaman's seat on Monday. Bingaman announced last month he will not seek re-election after serving 5 terms.
It's a personal decision, and those are the main factors. And it's time to move on and allow someone else to serve.
Will that someone else be Wilson? She has already served 5 terms in Congress for District 1, giving her big-time name recognition. But when she ran for the seat Senator Pete Domenici vacated in 2008, she lost in the primary to Congressman Steve Pearce. He lost the race to Democrat Tom Udall. So far, Pearce has not ruled out another run for Senate.
Her fate lies largely in what will happen during the primary.
But even if Pearce does not run, Wilson could face Lieutenant Governor John Sanchez in the primary.
The folks here in the Roundhouse and throughout different parts of New Mexico who are saying, listen, consider this run for the U.S. Senate. But we are considering, and we're going to leave those options open.
And voters could have several options. On the Democratic ticket, several names have already surfaced. A spokeswoman for State Auditor Hector Valderas says he's, quote, seriously considering a run for the seat. And Congressman Martin Heinrich has said he, too, is considering putting his hat in the ring. If he does, political analysts say the fight for a seat in Washington would heat up.
He, at this point at least, would be the front runner if he decided to run.
And Congressman Steve Pearce called us back about an hour ago. He said he was hoping this race would not be a, quote, free-for-all. He wanted the Republican Party to pick one strong candidate for the general election. Back to you.
Okay, Crystal, Democrat Andres Valdez, an Albuquerque political activist, has already announced he will run for Bingaman's seat.
The New